Hi, I'm Chris Johnston from Work Visa Lawyers. We are one of Australia's largest immigration law firms and have a team of immigration lawyers and registered migration agents that can help you. If you'd like to help us to help you, please click subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when more updates come out. If you're in Australia and you've had your visa refused or cancelled and you hold a bridging visa, you can find yourself in a sticky situation. The Migration Act says if this happens, then you're barred from applying for another Australian visa unless you leave the country. There are a few limited exceptions which I'll explain in a moment. The section in the Migration Act that says this is Section 48. So this is called the Section 48 bar. Under the old rules, if you're barred, then you have to leave Australia to apply for another visa other than a partner visa, a refugee visa, a medical treatment visa, or a range of bridging visas. But in news that's rocked the Australian migration industry, Section 48 has been changed, effective November 13th. The visas you can now apply for include the 491 Skilled Work Regional, the 494 visa, Skilled Employer Sponsored, the 190 visa, Skilled Nominated. To apply for these visas, you either have to hold a substantive visa or a bridging A, B or C visa. Unfortunately, you cannot apply for these visas if you've got a bridging visa E or if you've got no visa at all. The government says this change was made in response to COVID and the travel limitations that were imposed. We don't understand why then the change hasn't been extended to include bridging visa E holders, as they're just as affected by COVID restrictions as everyone else. It may be because people who've had their visas cancelled are usually on a bridging visa E. But for those who benefit from this exciting news, we've got to ask the question, what are the next steps? These new skilled visa options have prerequisites. So if you're considering an application, the next steps to take are the following. Get a start on your skills assessment. The skills assessment must be for an occupation on the relevant list. Do an English test. Get all your paperwork together and get ready to apply. Hit the subscribe button and watch out for our latest videos. If you think the new rules might apply to you and that you need some help to get your visa, get in contact with Work Visa Lawyers today and we can help you stay in Australia.